For an airline, running financial processes is actually quite complex.
Airlines rarely make profits. When they make 1%, they're happy. Everybody wants to reduce costs.
It's very challenging sometimes to find the right skills, the right knowledge, the right platform, manage all of that, put the right management attention.
And that is where Excelia Kale brings in maximum value in the outsourcing engagement with the customer. MPS is Managed Process Services, that is platform-based outsourcing service being offered by Excelia Kale.
Revera is a product. MPS uses this product to provide end-to-end revenue accounting services for the end customer.
We are responsible for the outcome of that process. For the outcome, the quality, the SLA, the timeliness, completeness, accuracy, all of that is our responsibility.
So it's not only a lift and shift of an operation or a delivery center, it's applying the brain behind that delivery.
Irrespective of the fact whether there are issues around the software, whether there are issues around the other things, whether there are peaks, whether there are valleys, we are committed to deliver.
And we have a concept called quality circles. So what typically happens is, like, senior people, key people from every project would engage on a weekly, fortnightly and a monthly basis, share what's happening across their projects. I think that's where we bring a lot of meaning to why we call it MPS, or why we call it a managed process service, because we manage the entire service, not just a project.
We got 1,100 people working with us in our MPS business.
More than 90% of people that we recruit are IATA graduates.
There's a structured intervention we do in our business in terms of imparting professional training to all these individuals before they come on the floor.
It brings a lot of effort, it brings a lot of sensitivity to the customer business needs.
And that helps MPS to provide the best of the breed service to the end customer.
When we speak about the infrastructure, there are two major factors. One is scalability of infrastructure, second is security.
We at Excelia Kale believe in investing in best-of-breed technologies. We have invested into Oracle Exadata, which is one of the latest technologies available in database.
We have 2 world-class Tier 3+ data centers with multiple redundancies built in, which provides the maximum uptime. Our data centers are physically secured in terms of the access control, the biometric access controls. We are ISO 27001 certified, wherein the ISMS, Information Security Management Standards, are taken care of. We are also PCI DSS certified. These certifications in itself talks about the security standards that we follow.
And what it means is that the customer can rest assured that information once given into MPS is secure, right through to the time that it's delivered back to the customer.
We focus on the airline industry. We understand, empathize with the airline industry. We know the industry. We've been involved with this industry for decades.
In Excelia Kale, we work with our customers to help them get the best out of their financial systems and get the information that they need to run an airline very efficiently.
Our experience working with Excelia MPS has added value to our business in terms of early reporting, accuracy in our reporting, and completeness. We do appreciate Excelia Kale for the value that they've added to Kenya Airways. Thank you.